Hello.
Hi everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos, and today we are out in our garden enjoying the sun and the heat.
It's 16 degrees. It looks like it's cold maybe, but it's really warm.
It's 16 plus degrees. We can hear the constant dripping of water everywhere. It means that the snow is melting.
Yes.
And already now we can see that there is a little bit less snow, although there's still quite a lot, but it's less than it was yesterday. And it looks like we're going into full spring now. And before we know it, all of this will have melted and will be in late spring, summer. Hopefully in about a month's time.
We can hope.
We can hope. Anyway, we're not here to talk about the weather.
No, we're going to talk about knitstars.
Yes, we got invited to teach at knitstars. If you're wondering what knitstars is, it's a knitting summit with people from all over the world who can join. And the summit will take place later on in the year. But right now, you've got a great opportunity to do an early bird special and sign up. And for the knitstars summit, we are going to be teaching a masterclass in Colourwork.
Yes, and we're going to take you to the local museum and show you some of our inspiration.
Yeah, because we go to the Museum of Cultural History in Fagernes, and they let us go through their archives. We were there yesterday to prepare our knitstars participation, and we saw some extraordinarily beautiful old mittens in their archives, which we will be bringing out and showing to you during our knitstars seminar.
So we will share the inspiration with you.
We will share the inspiration. We will show you some of our most favorite mountains here in Norway, where we get all our inspiration for design in Jotunheimen National Park.
Yep. So we're going to drive our old Volkswagen Beetle up to the mountains and show you some beautiful countryside.
And you get to take a masterclass with us and probably spend a whole day doing this masterclass in order to perfect your color work. There are also many other amazing instructors who will be participating in knitstars as well. And when you sign up for knitstars, you don't only get our stuff, you will also get all of their amazing stuff. So you have a lot to look forward to. So, if you want more information or if you want to sign up, all you need to do is go to our Instagram profile, ARNE CARLOS Instagram, and look up in the profile link, and you can click on that link, which will be on your upper left side, I think, or maybe it's right side. Anyway, you'll find a link on the top that you can click on, or you can go to our website at arneandcarlos.com and look for the knitstar links. You will find them on the front page, you will find them on our blog, and you will find them on our contact sheet. Or if you want to, you can look down here. Let me see, there. You can look down there in the description, and the link will be there as well. So click on that link and sign up. You've got about 10 days to do this with the early bird special. And we look forward to knitstars and showing you around our beautiful country later on in the year.
Yeah, so see you.
See you around.
Soon.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
You. Bye.